So class, nakita ninyo no sa case ni Will and William West nya sa body measurement labi na identical sila, magkapareha sila. Pero pag compare sa fingerprint class, managlahi managlahi sila. Dinhi na na-establish ang fingerprint as a means of identification. Muna class, nakabantay mo kung ikaw na kay criminal record o bisan asa nga kung mga-apply ka or uban ng mga transactions, labi na sa papatuod sa imuhang kanang identity class, naagid ang imuhang fingerprint as a standard means of identification tungod ani nga case. So basahon ako, the science of anthropometry started to collapse in the case of Well and William West, making the science of fingerprinting to come into picture, which later on became the best method in establishing the identity of the individual person. So kung ipadayon na tog basa class diri, the warden ato nga time class, according to the legend, declared this is the death of Bertillonides. So, murag giwagtang na nila class ba ang paggamit sa anthropometry, the death of Bertillonides system. And discontinued anthropometry as Leavenworth the very next day. So, wala na lagi gamit ang anthropometry, ang body measurement. So, after the West William West case, most police departments began using photographs, Bertillon measurements, and fingerprints on their mugshot files. Eventually, the Bertillon system was discarded. So, nakita niyo class, no? Tungod sa kaning case ni Will and William West, ang Bertillon system, wala na nila gi-appeal ang body measurement as a means of identification. So, ang ilahan ng gigamit class is fingerprints as a standard means of identification. So, balik ta diri. As what is commonly observed, every person arrested was fingerprinted to serve as a standard and will be submitted for filing purposes. The standard, ang meaning class, standard in the sense that these serve as a correct copy of the fingerprint of the individual person, and the filing is refers to the submission of the fingerprint standard to the recording system for future use. This is the reason why most of the agencies or an application made by the person is accompanied by their fingerprint for easy and faster identification. So, discarded na tong Bertillon system class, no? As a means of identification. So, mo na ni ang gigamit na to as the best method of identification fingerprint. In addition, like any other sciences, the following are the principles of the fingerprint. So, the principle of permanency, principle of individuality, and principle of infallibility. But pasabot sa principle of permanency class states that fingerprint does not change over the lifetime of the person. This means that fingerprint is constant since birth up to death. So, gikan sa imong pagkagamay hangtod nga mamatay, so permanent ang imuhang fingerprint. Muna ang principle of permanency. And for the principle of individuality, this principle states that every individual person has their own unique set of fingerprints, and that these fingerprints cannot be duplicated nor repeated among other individual. So, but pasabot class, no? Natay kanang unique set of fingerprints mo ni ang usa sa unique part sa lawa sa usa ka tawo ang ato ang fingerprint tungod kay managlahi unique set of fingerprints, and this fingerprint cannot be duplicated nor repeated among other individual. So ang fingerprint ni Juan dili mahimong parehas kang Pedro or kang Maria. And then principles of infallibility. The principles of infallibility class, this principle states that fingerprint can never be wrong or makes an error as to the identity of the person. So sa principles of infallibility class, no, ang ato ang fingerprint mo specify gina ngadto sa identity sa usa ka tawo. It can never be wrong or makes an error. So mao na ang principles of infallibility class. Remember these three principle class sa fingerprint. First, principles of permanency. Bot pasabot class, no? Ang ato ang fingerprint is constant. It does not change since birth up to death. And the principles of individuality class. Every individual person has their own unique set of fingerprints. This cannot be duplicated or repeated by any other person. And the third class principles of infallibility states that fingerprint can never be wrong as to the identity of the person. Once this fingerprint match to this person, and then it can never be wrong. Moingon ako sa katawo, dili na ako ah. But according to the principles of infallibility, fingerprint can never be wrong or makes an error as to the identity of the person. And that is the science class that expose the lies of the criminals through fingerprinting. And that's the end of our discussion for today class. Any questions?